Once you are in the meeting lobby, you'll notice several icons towards the bottom of your Teams window. Among these, you'll see the camera icon. Here is where you can control your camera settings. With a simple click on the camera icon, you can choose to turn your camera on or off. For instance, if you're not comfortable being on camera right away, you can leave it off until you're ready. When it comes to configuring your camera settings, click on the gear icon labeled Video Settings. This is a crucial step if you want to select which camera you'll be using. It's particularly useful if you have multiple cameras connected to your device and need to choose the right one. A list of available cameras should appear, allowing you to select your preferred one with a simple click. Now let's say you want to fine-tune how everything looks on camera. Still in the video settings, you can make adjustments to optimize your video appearance. Here, you can modify factors such as brightness or even choose to mirror your video. This feature is handy if you have specific lighting or camera angle preferences. With all your settings configured to your liking, it's time to officially join the meeting. The Join Now button is your final step. Click on this button and you'll be seamlessly joined into the live meeting already in progress. You're now fully ready to participate, collaborate, or present. It's as easy as that. By following these simple steps, you can ensure seamless participation in any Microsoft Teams meeting, making communication with colleagues, friends, or classmates straightforward and efficient. That's it for today's guide on joining meetings with Microsoft Teams. Happy conferencing!